We've had a lot of growth opportunity for manufacturing over the last few years. The problem that we are running into globally and definitely within the United States is that there is a lack of inventory, both in existing facilities and sites, to be able to accommodate that growth. There needs to be opportunity to place these facilities on sites. There aren't enough sites throughout the United States and definitely within the Detroit region.
The Detroit region is an 11-county region of 5.5 million people and a workforce of 2.6 million. The Detroit Regional Partnership, or DRP, is the regional economic development agency that helps global companies explore and invest here in Southeast Michigan, really bringing new jobs, investment, and technology into the market.
For years, the site selection criterion was considerably less than what you're finding now. For an industrial company, we can have as many as 70 different siting criterion: logistics, workforce, general infrastructure, natural environment, that we need to be in a position where we're truly using the sites to align to the types of industrial targets that make sense to the market. Burns & McDonnell worked with the Detroit Regional Partnership to take a look at not only the types of end users that make sense as far as a business case to the market, those that they are pursuing, the type of attributes that would be necessary to be able to accommodate them within sites, and then developed a program to ensure that we have incremental steps toward readiness that encourage local landowners and counties and cities and those that are interested in developing property to be able to do so in a way that effectively draws development.
We created a program to improve industrial site readiness here in Southeast Michigan, known as the Verified Industrial Properties Program, or VIP by DRP. We've developed a three-tier approach to industrial site readiness. The process starts with site owners and municipalities to pre-identify sites to participate in the program. Sites are evaluated based on a number of key development criteria, including environmental, utilities, transportation, and zoning. And the idea is this provides all the information a user needs in one place to quickly make a decision on a site. Tier 1 focuses on conducting a site assessment using our third-party civil engineering firms to look at the strengths and challenges of a site. Tier 2 then works with the municipalities and the site owners to look at what the conceptual layout of that site is based on the strengths and constraints. And Tier 3 goes to work on the challenges identified in Tier 1 through physical studies to really understand how to overcome any challenges from a cost, time, and process perspective.
And the goal of this program is to help to provide as much of a base as you can for readiness to allow that opportunity to really come into this region easily. There are vast benefits to industrial and allied companies coming into a community and bringing both capital investment and jobs. For every one of those jobs that comes in, you end up with at least 2 to 2.5 jobs that are created in our quality of place sectors.
We're in one of the most innovative regions in the United States, and we finally have an industrial sites portal to match that capability. We believe this is the next innovation in site readiness for our community and is going to make it a lot easier for users to access the advantages of the broader region, but also the industrial sites that they'll find here.
So it's exciting to think that the second golden age of industrialism in the Detroit region may be upon us with the creation of this program.